Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to define Banquet menu groups. This option is used to define the menu groups in the Banquet module. Select Module Banquets from the PMS. The menu groups created will be used in item classification, setup menu card and requirement entry. Select Submodule Setup under Banquets. Double-click the option Banquet menu groups under Setup. Now to add a menu group, select the property from the drop-down list. The code will be system-generated. The user cannot modify this information. In the long name field, enter the complete name of the Banquet menu group. In the short name field, enter a short name for the Banquet menu group. Set the status as active. In the sequence field, enter the serial number. Please note, the sequence cannot be duplicated. Click the Save button to update the entered information. Now to modify any of the menu groups, double-click on the record you wish to modify. Modify the appropriate information. Click the Save button to update the entered information. Now a new Banquet menu group is added and modified. Click Exit to exit from the program. Thank you.